So you want to know how to get free stock video and images for whatever you need, whether you're starting a website or doing Instagram or doing whatever you want with online businesses, or maybe it's for your own personal use. I'm going to show you 3 ways to find really good stock videos online. But before we do that, I need you to do a quick favor. Hit that like, hit the subscribe button so the YouTube algorithm notifies you of all my latest videos. If you're interested in making money online, affiliate marketing, anything along those lines, hit the subscribe button and leave a like. And now let's get into today's video. Okay, so starting off, we're actually going to be using Google. Now, Google is a very cool way to find stock videos, and I'm going to show you exactly how, all right? And what you're going to want to do on Google is this. You just simply type in whatever you're looking for, right? Let's say we're talking about oceans, right? You type in oceans, and as you can see, you get some pictures. Of course, pictures are really cool. You know, we love pictures, but we're looking for something that's moving, that's we could put in the background of something, or maybe we're using it for marketing purposes. What do? Well, simply go to settings right here, advanced search, okay? And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to change the file type. Now, if you're looking for a image, you're gonna keep it as a image. But if you're looking for a video, you're going to basically want to change it to like a GIF file, because that way you could have a moving image essentially. But if you're looking for a video, you could do a JPEG file, a PNG file, or whatever you're really looking for, but we're going to change it to GIF, okay? And then the next step of this is we need to make sure that we have free usage. So you're going to go to usage, and you're going to want to do Creative Commons and commercial and other licenses, okay? So we're going to go to Creative Commons. That basically means you can use this image in whatever your project you're working for, okay? You're gonna go to advanced search, and then you're gonna have some images come up, and you can see right here we have a cool image of some people walking along the beach, and you know, it's a little bit romantic. It looks like an older couple, and yeah, so that's kind of how you do that. Again, if you're looking for images, you wouldn't change it to a GIF. You would keep it on images, JPEG, or PNG. But the main thing is you want to change the settings away from any type of copyright to Creative Commons or to commercial. Okay, so that's one of the ways to get free stock images and stock videos simply using Google. Next up, and this is one of my favorite sites, I use this website a lot, and this is Pexels.com, and it basically has free, royalty-free stock videos that you can use. When you use something from the site, they ask you to link back to it. Are they really gonna know? Probably not, but you could do that, and sometimes you could tip people if you really like a creator's stuff, but you don't have to. It's not required. We're gonna go, again, I guess just stick with oceans for this, and you can go over here, and they're gonna have a video of some oceans playing over here, all right, just like that. And what you would do is you would go to free download, and basically it will download it for you. Now, sometimes, like I said, they'll ask for a donation or for you to follow them on Instagram, but you don't have to. It's not required, but that is one way to do it. Just to kind of show you again, we could kind of do wind, right? We go into wind, and there's going to be some things for wind, and yeah, pretty simple. This is great for people who are doing some filmmaking or trying to build a website or doing YouTube or Instagram. So great way to get some free footage, and then you could add it into your video editor or just keep it as is and turn it into your own. It really depends on what you're doing. And while you're watching this, leave in the comment section down below, why are you looking for stock images and stock videos? What is your goals? Are you starting a business? Are you doing it for fun? I want to hear what you guys are doing in the comment section down below. Now, the last way, guys, is through Reddit. Reddit, of course, is a very popular website, and they actually have a couple different subreddits for stock videos. I'm on a smaller one called simply r/stock video, but if you just go into Google and type in Reddit stock video or Reddit stock images, there's a lot of other ones. Sometimes they're on different subreddits. They just have like a mega thread, which is just a huge thread someone created of links to stock videos that you can use. So if you want to do that, if you don't want to use this smaller subreddit, you could go and basically go on there and type in to Google Reddit stock videos or stock images. Click search, and you'll find a link to another subreddit, maybe something like whatever you're looking for, and that will help you find those stock images. Alright guys, so there you have it. Those are 3 ways to get free stock images, royalty-free images and videos for you to use for whatever you want to use it for. Once again, I really do want to know what you guys are using these for, so comment down below. I want to hear what you guys are doing. Are you building a business, or you're just trying to, do a cool little side project? I want to hear your thoughts, and once again, hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.